What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I went ahead, I got a new light set up, so definitely let me know what you think about it. This here is the 1 pound red wiggler bin, the worms that I got from Northeast Worms. So last feeding was over this way. Oh, that's a little bit of orange peel from one of the last feedings I did for it. Two worms mating. Just leave them down there. Let them do their thing. So, with my original red wiggler bin, I've pretty much tried to convert that completely into the natural bedding now. So I've been adding with each feeding a little bit more natural bedding. I'm going to add just a little bit to this one. So it's from the leaf mold, and just kind of bust and break it up into where the feeding area is going to be. And hopefully it's coming through, you know, kind of like the light brown with the paper mixed in, and then how rich and dark that that leaf mold bedding is. This will be a nice feeding for them. I have banana with half the banana still in the peel. Couple pieces of watermelon, some of the juice from it de-thawing, the potato that was frozen also. Got the little pods from Dunkin'. Adding a little coffee. That's just another food source for them. And then my ground eggshell for grit. And then this paper, which you can see it's all falling apart. I'm just going to kind of, oh, there's a worm there. You just kind of break it up, add that to the feeding area. On top, I like to add the worm chow. Basically, it's just another little bit of food source for them. I try to get into the bins around every 6 to 7 days, but every once in a while, you know, time doesn't permit for it. So that should be a nice moist feeding for this side. And then check out this coffee filter. That's the Dunkin' coffee filter. So we'll see on the next check-in if that's moist, or how well that's doing, or if the worms have started breaking that down. Okay. Like I said, let me know what you think about the light. I just picked up a 3-pack from Amazon, so I want to use it for that and a couple other things for some recording. So I think it's doing a great job. It's definitely a lot brighter for me. So hopefully it comes through on camera and you guys enjoy it too. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Have a great day.